Okay. So, hi, my name is Rui Silva, and I will tell you the story of a supercapacitor that wanted to be a battery. So first, let me show you what is the difference between a battery and a supercapacitor. Do you know Usain Bolt, the fastest man on earth, and Rosa Mota, the famous Portuguese marathon runner? So let's plot Rosa and Usain in a one-to-one chart, where this line is speed and this line is distance. As you might know, Usain is fast, but for a short distance, while Rosa went slower, but for a long distance. So, unfortunately, this is what happens with energy storage devices. You have to choose between recharge fast or charge a high amount of energy. This story started 3 years ago when we started to develop a new kind of supercapacitors. So during the optimization process, our supercapacitor was able to store more and more and more energy. So we're no longer improving supercapacitors, but we are competing with batteries. So let's talk about batteries. There are 4 important things about batteries: the energy they store, the charging speed, as already mentioned, and price and lifetime. So let's compare our product with the 2 most well-known batteries in the market: lead battery and lithium battery. So our battery can store a little more energy than a lead battery, and we are not competing with lithium battery. One of our big advantages is charging speed, and we are the fastest in the market, 10 times faster than lead battery. Another big advantage is lifetime. So our battery can last more than 16 years, which is considered a great endurance. Finally, the price, and taking into account an average price for industrial battery, our price falls between lead and lithium. So how do we do it? We develop a new material for energy storing by using an innovative approach to electroplating, which is a single-step and low-cost production process and is lead-free. So using our material as an electrode, we can have our new generation of batteries. And don't try to do this at home, because there is a patent pending. So where can we make the difference? In what applications do we really have a strong value proposition? Motive power applications. Why? Because fast charging speeds and long time are key requirements. So let's consider electric forklift trucks. Lead batteries power 99% of electric forklift trucks. And these batteries have 3 major problems. They need 8 hours to recharge. They have a short lifetime, and they have high toxicity because of the lead and sulfuric acid. So let me show you how bad it can be to work with these batteries in a multi-shift operation. So you have 2 options. Option 1 is to have 2 batteries per forklift. So when battery A is on duty, battery B is charging, and 8 hours after, vice versa. So you'll need the forklift, the extra battery, and costly handling material, because this is very heavy batteries. So besides, this is time and labor consuming. Other operators choose option 2. So instead of have the extra battery, they simply have the extra forklift. So they avoid batteries exchange. So our solution is a lead-free battery that can last more than 16 years and can recharge during the breaks. So 1 battery is all you need for the entire forklift lifetime. We have a great response from the market, and for example, Innovation Director of Luís Simões confirmed that avoiding the extra battery and the exchanging batteries could be an amazing advantage. So let's go through a cost-benefit analysis, where gray represents lead acid and orange C2C batteries. So electricity, forklift, and charger costs will be the same. The amortized cost will be less because we don't have an extra battery and we have a greater endurance. The battery maintenance will be a half because we are only working with one battery. And finally, we have no labor on battery swapping because we are not exchanging batteries. In the end of the day, we can cut in half the total annual ownership costs of a forklift. So, the global market of lead-acid batteries is 33 billion euros. Our entry market is 10% of that, so it will be electric forklifts, and our served market will be multi-shifts operators, which is valued in 1.7 billion euros. So this project started with a 200K investment for initial R&D, and we're expecting to reach the market in 4 years. And for that, we will need 1.4 million euros. We're also expecting to reach another applications by the middle of 2016. And by the way, we talked with the equipment director of Toyota Portugal, which was very excited with this project, and he wants to try our first prototype in their machines. So, our market data indicates that the entry market share will be 40% in 15 years, and we can reach the break-even 5 years after market entry. So we are a committed team with a strong know-how in this technology, and supervised by a great mentor, Ana Gonçalves. And more recently, we have a new member, José Pereira, a former director of Autosil, one of the biggest players in the market, as an advisor. So wrapping up, we believe that COHiTEC is the end of a new beginning. So our product could be the game changer not only for forklifts, but for a wide range of applications. We are charged to change, and this could be revolutionary. Thank you.